Space exploration is about pushing boundaries. It's about daring to dream of new worlds, and sometimes it's about being completely stunned by what we find. Recently, we've been given a gift brand new high-resolution images of Mars. These aren't just pretty pictures, these images are like keys unlocking Martian secrets we've been yearning to uncover. For centuries we've gazed at Mars, that red dot in the sky, and wondered, was it once a living world? Could there be life there now, hidden beneath its surface? These new images don't have all the answers, not yet. But they offer a tantalizing glimpse into Mars's geology, its climate, and yes, even its potential for life. These images, taken by cutting-edge spacecraft, reveal a level of detail never seen before. We're talking about seeing individual rocks on the surface, tracing the paths of ancient rivers, and peering into the heart of colossal dust storms. Get ready to explore the wonders of Mars as you've never seen them before. Our journey starts now. Humans have always been fascinated by Mars. The ancient Egyptians called it Horus the Red, while the Romans named it after their god of war. But it wasn't just mythology. Even early astronomers, looking through rudimentary telescopes, could tell Mars was different. It had those ice caps that grew and shrank with the seasons, hinting at a dynamic world. Fast forward to the space age, and our fascination transformed into missions. In 1965, Mariner 4 gave us our first close-up glimpse of Mars. The images were grainy, but they were a revelation. Then came the Viking missions in the 1970s, landing on the surface, searching for life. Each mission, from the Mars Global Surveyor to the Rover's Spirit, Opportunity and Curiosity, has added to our knowledge. But the recent images, they represent a giant leap forward. We're talking about a level of detail that's transforming our understanding of the red planet. Imagine looking at a blurry photograph, then suddenly seeing it come into sharp focus. That's what's happened with these new Mars images. The clarity is astonishing, thanks to advanced cameras and imaging techniques. We're no longer just seeing shapes on the surface. We're seeing individual boulders, sand dunes sculpted by the Martian wind, and the fine layers of rock formations, each telling a story of Mars's past. It's like having a powerful magnifying glass, allowing scientists to study the Martian landscape in ways they could only dream of before. These high-resolution images aren't just about pretty pictures, though they are stunning. They're fundamentally changing how we understand Mars. Scientists can now analyze the composition of rocks, map out the planet's mineral resources, and even track the movement of weather patterns with incredible precision. Mars wears its history on its face, and nowhere is that more evident than in its craters and canyons. The new images reveal these features in breathtaking detail. Take, for example, the impact craters. Some are small, like pockmarks on the surface. Others are colossal, stretching for hundreds of miles. These craters are like time capsules, offering clues about the violent bombardment Mars endured early in its history. By studying the size, shape, and distribution of these craters, scientists can piece together the story of Mars's tumultuous past. Then there are the canyons, most notably Valles Marineris. This colossal canyon system dwarfs our Grand Canyon, stretching across a significant portion of the Martian equator. The new images allow us to trace its winding path, revealing layers of rock that speak to billions of years of geological activity. Section 5. The Secrets of Martian Air. Mars's atmosphere is thin, about 1% the density of Earth's, but it's far from static. The new images capture the Martian air in motion, revealing swirling dust devils, towering dust storms that can engulf the entire planet, and delicate clouds of water, ice crystals. These images are helping scientists understand the complex dynamics of the Martian atmosphere. They can track the movement of dust, analyze the composition of the clouds, and study how weather patterns change with the seasons. This information is crucial for planning future missions to Mars, as well as for understanding how the Martian climate has evolved over time. One of the most exciting discoveries has been the detection of methane in the Martian atmosphere. Methane can be a sign of life, and while its presence on Mars is still being investigated, it raises the tantalizing possibility that there might be microbial life hiding beneath the surface, releasing this gas as a byproduct of its metabolism. Section 6. Is there life on Mars? The question of life on Mars has captivated us for generations. While these new images don't provide a definitive answer, they offer intriguing clues. The presence of ancient riverbeds and lakebeds, now dry and dusty, suggests that Mars was once a much warmer and wetter place, potentially habitable for life as we know it. Furthermore, the discovery of organic molecules, the building blocks of life in Martian soil by the Curiosity rover, adds to the intrigue. While these molecules are not in themselves proof of life, they demonstrate that the ingredients for life as we know it are present on Mars. The new images, with their ability to reveal fine-scale details, will be crucial in the ongoing search for life on Mars. Scientists will be carefully scrutinizing these images for any signs of past or present life, such as fossilized microbes or unusual geological formations that could have been created by biological activity. Section 7. The challenges of reaching Mars. Exploring Mars is fraught with challenges. It's a harsh and unforgiving environment with frigid temperatures, a thin atmosphere that offers little protection from radiation, and dust storms that can last for months. Landing a spacecraft safely on Mars is a feat of engineering, and operating rovers on the surface is no easy task. The distance between Earth and Mars also poses a significant hurdle. It takes months for a spacecraft to travel to Mars, and communication signals can take up to 20 minutes to travel one way. This means that rovers on Mars can't be controlled in real time. Instead, they have to be programmed with a series of commands, and then left to carry them out autonomously. Despite these challenges, the rewards of Mars exploration are immense. Each mission teaches us more about our planetary neighbor, unraveling its secrets and bringing us closer to answering the fundamental question, are we alone in the universe? Section 8. The future of red planet exploration. The new images from Mars have only fueled our desire to learn more about this enigmatic world. The future of Mars exploration is bright, with plans for even more ambitious missions. One of the most exciting prospects is a sample return mission, which would bring Martian rocks and soil back to Earth for detailed analysis. Such a mission would allow scientists to study Martian samples with a level of precision that's simply not possible with current rover technology. It could provide definitive answers about the past habitability of Mars, and even reveal evidence of past life. Looking even further ahead, there's the possibility of sending humans to Mars. Such a mission would be the ultimate adventure, allowing us to explore the red planet firsthand and establish a permanent human presence on another world. Section 9. Conclusion: the Martian mystery continues. The new images from Mars have given us an unprecedented view of this alien world, revealing its beauty, its complexity, and its potential. While they have answered some of our questions, they have also raised many more. The search for life on Mars continues, as does our quest to understand its past, present, and future. With each mission, we learn more about our place in the cosmos and the possibility of life beyond Earth. One thing is certain: Mars will continue to captivate us for generations to come. As we explore its surface and delve deeper into its secrets, we can't help but wonder what other wonders await us on this enigmatic world.